Hello students, next one is that is oxidation of alcohols. Oxidation of alcohols with KMnO4 in the presence of acidic hydrogen or K2Cr2O7 in the presence of acidic hydrogen or copper at 300 degrees centigrade. So what is the role of KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7 and copper at 300 degrees centigrade? So here what is the role of KMnO4? This KMnO4 or KMnO4 in the presence of acidic hydrogen, it act as a strong oxidizer. It can act as a strong oxidizer. It can act as strong oxidizer, and K2Cr2O7 also act as strong oxidizer. It is also act as strong oxidizer, student. And what about this, student? That is, this copper also act as moderating oxidizer, student. That is moderate oxidizing agent, student. That is moderate oxidizing agent. You remember, student? These both three reagents are oxidizing agents, and KMnO4 and K2Cr2O7. These both are strong oxidizing agents. These both are strong oxidizing agent, but copper at 300 degrees Celsius, that is moderate oxidizing agent. This is the very most important. Now, these are the oxidation of alcohol. Oxidation of alcohols. Generally, alcohols, how many types? These alcohols are classified into three types. That is primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, and tertiary alcohols. So first one, now take the primary alcohols. Primary alcohols, an oxidation with K2Cr2O7 or KMnO4 in the presence of acidic medium, it gives acids. It gives acids. That means it gives acids. It gives acid. Then next one, that is secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols, an oxidation with KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7, it gives, that is ketones. It ketones. And third one, student, that is tertiary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols, oxidation with K2Cr2O7 or KMnO4. KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7. What happens? That is no effect. No effect. It is very most important. Primary alcohols, oxidation with KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7 to give acids. Secondary alcohols on oxidation with KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7 to give ketones. And tertiary alcohols, oxidation with KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7, there is no effect. These are the properties of KMnO4 and K2Cr2O7. And next one, student, that is copper. What is the role of copper, student? This copper also act as oxidizing agents. It can, that is copper also oxidizing, that is dehydrogenating agent. It is, remember, student, copper at 300 degrees centigrade, this act as dehydrogenating agent, means removal of hydrogen. Student. Now take the example, student, that is primary alcohols. Primary alcohols on oxidation with copper at 300 degrees centigrade to give aldehydes. And secondary alcohols, oxidation with copper at 300 degrees centigrade to give ketones. And third one, student, that is tertiary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols, oxidation with copper at 300 degrees centigrade, it gives, you remember, student, to gives alkenes. It is very most important, student. So primary alcohols, oxidation with KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7 to give acid. Secondary alcohols, oxidation with KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7 to give ketones. Tertiary alcohols, reaction with KMnO4. What happens? There is no reaction, there is no effect. But and second one is primary alcohol, oxidation with copper at 300 degrees centigrade to give aldehydes. Secondary alcohols, oxidation with copper at 300 degrees centigrade to give ketones. And tertiary alcohols, oxidation with copper at 300 degrees centigrade to give alkenes. So in this step is, that is dehydration, student, that is water is elimination, student. I will give one by one, student. I will take example one by one, student. First one, now first example for primary alcohol example, student. Primary alcohol example, that is ethyl alcohol, CH3CH2OH. ethyl alcohols on oxidation with K2Cr2O7 or KMnO4 by H plus. We should take any one student, KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7. KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7. These both reagents are playing same, that is same product will be produced. So what happens in this first step is oxidation. In this first step is aldehyde is formed, CH3CHO. Ethyl alcohols on oxidation with KMnO4 to give aldehyde is formed. Then after that again KMnO4, aldehyde again react with KMnO4 in the presence of acidic hydrogen to give acid will be formed, that is CH3COOH. This is very most important student. In this reaction, overall reaction student, this primary alcohol means ethyl alcohols on oxidation with KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7 in the presence of acidic medium to give what is the overall reaction student, acid will be formed. It is very most important student. Primary alcohols oxidation with KMnO4 it gives, that is first step is aldehyde is formed. Aldehyde again oxidation with KMnO4 in the presence of acidic hydrogen to give acid will be formed. This is the very most important student. This is first one, primary alcohol. Now second one, take the secondary alcohol student. When secondary alcohol CH3 CHOH then CH3, when secondary alcohols oxidation with KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7 in the presence of acidic hydrogen, acidic medium, it gives, that is ketones will be formed, that is ketone will be formed, CH3COCH3. Secondary alcohols on oxidation with KMnO4 in the presence of acidic medium to give ketone will be formed. This is the final production. Now the third one, that is tertiary alcohol, CH3COH then CH3 then CH3, that is tertiary butyl alcohol. When tertiary butyl alcohol oxidation with KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7 in the presence of acidic hydrogen, and what happens when there is no reaction, that is no effect. In this tertiary alcohols cannot react with KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7, that is no effect, that means no reaction, so there is no reaction, there is no product will be produced. And in specific conditions, some other specific condition, vigorous condition, that is means high temperature, the exception cases, these exception cases, high temperature and high pressure. When tertiary alcohols oxidation in the presence of high temperature and high pressure, it gives two mixed product will be, mixed acid will be formed, mixed acid will be formed, mixed acid will be formed. It is also very most important student. But primary alcohols on oxidation, secondary alcohol oxidation to give, primary alcohols oxidation to give acid, secondary alcohol oxidation to give ketones, tertiary alcohols no effect. These are the normal conditions. This primary alcohols oxidation with KMnO4 it gives acid in the presence of normal condition. Secondary alcohols oxidation with KMnO4 to give ketones, it is also in this presence of normal condition. Tertiary alcohols oxidation with KMnO4 in the presence of acidic hydrogen at normal condition, no reaction. But in specific condition, this tertiary alcohols vigorous condition, that is in the presence of high temperature and high pressure, it will be produced two mixed acid will be formed, it gives two mixed acid will be formed. But normal condition, that is no reaction. Tertiary alcohols react with KMnO4 in this normal condition, that is no reaction. So you remember, this is a simple trick. Now next example, that is primary alcohol, next reagent, that is copper. Copper at 300 degrees centigrade, it is also very most important. So it is also copper act as mild oxidizer, it act as mild oxidizer. Now take the when primary alcohol, CH3CH2OH, CH3CH2OH, primary alcohols oxidation with copper at 300 degrees centigrade. This copper act as dehydrogenating, you remember student, dehydrogenating means removal of hydrogen, it gives, that is aldehyde is formed plus H2, that means in this step is dehydrogenation. Dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen. You remember student, this copper primary alcohols oxidation with copper at 300 degrees centigrade to give aldehyde is formed. In this step, student, that is elimination of hydrogen, that is dehydrogenation, removal of hydrogen, that is even mechanism, that is elimination of hydrogen, that is dehydrogenation, elimination of hydrogen. Primary alcohols on oxidation with, this is primary alcohols, primary alcohols oxidation with copper at 300 degrees centigrade to give aldehyde is formed. Now take the secondary alcohols, CH3CH then OH, secondary alcohols, that is 2 propanol student. When secondary alcohol, this is secondary alcohol student, when secondary alcohols oxidation with copper at 300 degrees centigrade, it is also giving ketone, it is giving ketones student, it is giving ketones. So secondary alcohols on oxidation with copper at 300 degrees centigrade to give ketones, that means acetone will be formed. In this reaction also dehydrogenation, in this reaction is dehydrogenating agent. In this copper act as, in the secondary alcohol, copper act as dehydrogenating agent in secondary alcohol, and in primary alcohol also copper act as dehydrogenating agent. In the primary alcohol and secondary alcohol only removal of hydrogen. In the primary alcohol also dehydrogenate, copper act as dehydrogenating agent, and secondary alcohol also, in secondary alcohols copper act as dehydrogenating agent. So here also removal of hydrogen, and primary alcohol also removal of hydrogen, in secondary alcohol also removal of hydrogen. In primary alcohol aldehyde is formed, in secondary alcohols ketones is formed. And what about tertiary alcohol student? It is also very most important student. Tertiary alcohols, that is tertiary alcohol example student, that is CH3COH, then CH3, then CH3. This is tertiary alcohol, means that is tertiary butyl alcohol student. Tertiary butyl alcohol in the presence of copper at 300 degrees centigrade, what happens student? That is in this step is tertiary alcohols oxidation, tertiary alcohol oxidation with copper at 300 degrees centigrade to give alkene will be formed student, that is CH3, CH3 double bond, then CH2 plus water. This is double bond student, this is double bond. Double bond will be formed student. In this step student, this tertiary alcohol copper act as dehydration, in this step is dehydration, dehydrating agent student. Copper act as dehydrating agent in tertiary alcohol. It is very most important student. Oxidation of alcohols with copper at 300 degrees centigrade. Primary alcohols on oxidation with copper at 300 degrees centigrade to give aldehyde. In this primary alcohol, this copper act as dehydrogenating agent, that means removal of hydrogen. In secondary alcohols react with copper at 300 degrees centigrade to give ketones, to give hydrogen student. Here also in the secondary alcohol student, copper act as also dehydrogenating agent. Here also hydrogen elimination, ketone will be formed student. And tertiary alcohols, in tertiary alcohols copper act as dehydration, that is dehydrating means removal of water. Dehydrating means what student? Removal of water. OH from here, one hydrogen from here, OH taking from here, hydrogen taking from here, that is water is elimination, we get, that is what is 2-methyl propane will be formed. So that is 2-methyl propane will be formed. This is the simple trick student, that is oxidation of alcohols with KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7 and copper at 300 degrees centigrade student. KMnO4 and K2Cr2O7, these both are strong oxidizer, and copper at 300 degrees centigrade, it acts as a moderate oxidizing agent. This is very most important student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching student. If you like my video, please click on like. Thank you. Please click on like. Thank you. Please share and please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you student.